How to make loading bar in Canva. So if you want to make a loading bar in Canva, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser and go with canva.com. After opening your Canva, now you just need to simply go with a template, any template that you're comfortable with. Once you're here on the template, now what you need to do is just simply go with the elements, which is on the left side. Under elements, you need to search for the element, which is rounded rectangle. After searching for it, now here you will have the shape. You just need to simply drag and drop the shape, and you can just simply make the shape as a bar. So once you have the bar, it looks like this. Now, once you've done this much, you need to just go with the upper left, which has that color. Under color, you need to go with no color, and you need to go with the border and select a border, and just make sure that the border is quite enough to be visible. And after that, you need to right click on it and you need to go with duplicate, and you need to bring that to the bottom, and you need to just go with the color and you need to fill it with a random color. After that, adjust it like this. After that, you can also add some stickers to it. You can go with elements again, search for an element, just drag and drop, adjust the size, and after that select these two, right click on it, or just simply go with group. And once you've done that as a group, now you just need simply go with position, select this one and then go with position, which is on the top right, and you can select forward. And after that, just go with animate, and here you need to go with the pan. So you just need to simply select this one and then go with position, and under position here you will have forward option, but in my case I'm not getting the forward option. But if you have the forward option, you just need to simply click on forward and it will move forward. And once you click on forward, now you just need to simply go with the animate, and under animate you need to choose pan. Once you've selected pan, then it will move forward like this, and in this way you'll be able to make a loading bar in Canva. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.